Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use YouTube for passive income, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying your niche or area of interest. Research the topics that resonate with your chosen niche. Check popular channels and trending themes to understand what works. Create a content plan outlining the type of videos you want to produce. Set a consistent upload schedule to build an audience following. Invest in basic video equipment, like a good camera and microphone. Learn basic video editing skills to enhance the quality of your content. Create engaging thumbnails to attract viewers. Optimize your video titles and descriptions for searchability. Incorporate relevant keywords that your target audience might search for. Use tags wisely to boost discoverability. Leverage social media platforms to promote your videos. Engage with your audience through comments and community posts. Consider creating a series to encourage viewers to return for more. Explore different monetization options on YouTube, like ad revenue. Join the YouTube Partner Program once you meet the eligibility criteria. Promote affiliate products related to your niche in your videos. Create and sell your own merchandise or digital products. Consider offering memberships or exclusive content for a fee. Always track your analytics to understand your audience's preferences. Adjust your content strategy based on what metrics show success. Stay updated with YouTube's policies and best practices. Focus on building a loyal community rather than just attracting views. Be patient, as passive income takes time and consistent effort to build. Continue to learn and adapt to changes in the platform and viewer habits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.